apart from that, I agree with her, the support system, the societal pressure, but the mental pressure and the health is also very important, the biological clock
Clock.
that you talked about.
So I think what we have to be mindful of is each of us, we keep talking about the biological clock.
Hmm.
So now I would be happy to say that, we did a survey, we did a 10-year survey of our own center at Max and off Delhi. And the girls, we do see a shift in ages. There was a time where we were getting ladies in their late 30s and early 40s coming to us as a panic button to say, oh my God, I've just done this test and it shows that potentially my egg reserve is lowered, or they've read it somewhere that fertility declines after 35. Is it real? Yes, it's real. And they come and say, should I freeze my eggs now? So if we are talking that when is the right time? The best time to freeze your eggs is really in your mid 20s to your late 20s to your early 30s.
Okay.
So under 35. Why? Because the way we are born, there is a huge difference in the biology between a man and a woman. So we are not creating new eggs. We are born with the lot we will have, and we start losing them very early. Plus, even stresses, medical health. Overall, we talk about even pollution. We talk about the food we are eating, the diet that we have, the plastics that it is. हमारा पानी उतना साफ नहीं है, हमारा हवा इतना साफ नहीं है. So as biology is changing, the fertility that we had 10 years ago at 20 is not the same as we have it now. So while we're mindful of the fact that the clock is ticking, so if you want to consider this, if you're looking, as we all are talking about jobs, and often we are very proactive about getting the right, kind of break in career, are we that proactive about our biological health? So if we think there's an option there, and when is the best option? The best option would be when you're younger, under 35, because you potentially would need a lesser amount of eggs to be stored because they would be healthier and they would give you a better chance later on. So if you're under 35, you need a lesser number of eggs to be stored, versus if you're in your 40s, you would need a larger number of eggs to be stored, because the attrition that happens once you've frozen to you're going to defreeze them and then use it with your partner's sperm to get a healthy embryo would be different. So we have to be mindful of a choice. We have to be mindful of our own age. To optimize the chance of a procedure is to use it at the right time. So the younger you are, the better the success. But does that mean that someone who's late 30, 37 or 38 and wants to come and freeze her eggs, we should tell her don't do it? That's not true. You have to have a counseling, discuss about your probabilities, and then see if it works for you.